Hi guys, you're watching Eat More Lose More. Today I'll be sharing with you all 1200 calorie diet plan for weight loss. With the help of this diet plan, you can lose 15 kgs in 1 month very easily. This diet plan will contain all the required proteins, carbs, nutrients that we require for the entire day, and as well as lots and lots of options for breakfast, lunch and dinner, along with our mid snacks. So without any delay, let's get started with 1200 calorie diet plan for weight loss. Early morning empty stomach at around 7 am, we'll start our day with diuretic water. I'll give you 3 options. The first one is chia seeds water with added lemon. Chia seeds help to cleanse your digestive system and as well as to remove toxins from your body. So we'll add 1 teaspoon of chia seeds in lukewarm water along with added lemon to this. The second option for your early morning drink is coriander seeds water. It helps to lower your blood sugar levels and also fights infections and promotes digestion. So we'll soak 2 teaspoons of coriander seeds in 1 glass of water overnight, and in the morning we'll just warm the water and have it empty stomach. The third option for you is, if you cannot have any of the soaked waters, you can have normal plain lukewarm water. You can have up to 2 glasses of lukewarm water. 15 minutes after this drink, we'll have 5 soaked almonds and 2 soaked walnuts. Now coming to your breakfast we'll have at around 8:30 to 9 am, for which I'll give you 3 options. The first one is, you can have 1 slice of toasted multigrain bread with either tea or coffee if you're a tea or coffee person, or if not, then you can have green tea or peppermint tea. Just simply toast 1 multigrain slice of bread. You can apply peanut butter over this, but make sure the peanut butter is unsweetened and does not contain any kind of flavor to this, and have it along with your tea or coffee or green tea. The second option for your breakfast is pineapple smoothie. Pineapple helps to cut your belly fat and also is great for your skin collagen as well. So we'll prepare a pineapple smoothie. All you have to do is, in a blender, add frozen pineapple, low fat dahi or curd, and along with that you can add coconut water or fresh prepared orange juice, or you can also add orange as your second fruit to this and blend it with some water for the consistency. You can also top it up with soaked chia seeds and some pumpkin seeds as well. Now coming to your third option for breakfast, you can have cold coffee with added chia seeds to this. Chia seeds are best for your digestive system and also help to flush out all the bad toxins from your body, giving your body excess fiber and also relieves the constipation. So all you have to do is prepare cold coffee without sugar, and to this you can add soaked chia seeds or blend chia seeds along with coffee. Have a big glass of cold coffee or smoothie for your breakfast so that you don't feel hungry for the rest of your day. Now proceeding towards your mid-morning snack. For mid-morning snack, you can have any one fruit out of apple, orange, pear or any seasonal fruit that's available. And along with that, have 1 cup of freshly brewed green tea, or you can also choose any 1 tea of 3 options: peppermint tea, apple cinnamon tea or chamomile tea. Now proceeding towards your lunch, as usual 15 minutes before our lunch, we'll have apple cider vinegar in lukewarm water. You can add 1 teaspoon or 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar in 1 glass of lukewarm water and have it sip by sip 15 minutes before your lunch to help you lower your blood sugar levels and also to remove the toxins from your body quickly. It also aids the process of digestion of the lunch. Now for your lunch, I'll be giving you 3 options again. The first option for your lunch is multigrain dalia with added lots and lots of veggies to this along with curd and salad. Multigrain dalia is very easily available in the market these days. It contains bajra, rice, other millets like ragi, amaranth and all of it. Always prefer multigrain dalia instead of a normal wheat dalia. It contains less calories and also is very fuller. So prepare multigrain dalia with added lots and lots of veggies to this. You can add capsicum, onion, tomato, ghee, French beans, broccoli, whatever veggies are available to you, and along with that have curd and salad. The second option for your lunch is, you can have 2 to 3 oats chilas with chutney. Now oats chila, the recipe for oats chilas is again on my channel. This is the recipe of oats chila. It's very easy to prepare and also is gluten free, and you can have 2 to 3 chilas along with chutney for your lunch. Third option for your lunch is 2 barley or bajra or ragi roti along with any light veg that's prepared at your home and curd and salad. This is for all of those who cannot skip roti in the lunch. So we'll definitely choose a healthier option for roti, jaw roti or bajra roti or ragi roti. whichever you can prepare for your lunch. Now proceeding towards your mid-evening snack. For your mid-evening snack, you can have tea or coffee if you're a tea or coffee person. If not, then you can also have coconut water. If not, then you can switch to green tea or green coffee, along with 5 soaked almonds and some roasted makhanas. Coming to your dinner, make sure you have your dinner by 7 to 7:30 pm, not later than that. For that, you can have paneer salad. Very easy to prepare. All you have to do is you can grill the paneer on grilling pan, or you can stir fry it with minimal oil. To the salad, you can add lettuce if it's available, and you can pour little bit of curd to this, and do not add salt in your dinner. We'll skip salt for dinner and have lemon juice, oregano, chili flakes, black pepper powder, roasted jeera powder in the replacement of your salt. Have paneer salad for your dinner. Or the second option is stir fried veggies. For stir fried veggies, I can give you lots and lots of options for veggies. You can choose broccoli, mushroom, onion, capsicum. You can also stir fry paneer and have it, but make sure to use no salt for your dinner. The third option for your dinner is apple oat smoothie. It's very tasty and very fulfilling for the overnight, and also takes 2 minutes to prepare. All you have to do is in a blender add cinnamon for taste, milk. I prefer using almond milk, and water for the consistency. Just blend all the ingredients together and have big glass of apple oat smoothie. You can also add chia seeds if you want to. And before going to bed, as usual, we'll have a chamomile tea. Again, great for stress relieving and also boosts your metabolism for the entire night. With this diet plan, make sure to consume at least 3 to 4 liters of room temperature water for hydration, to cleanse your system, and for purifying your skin cells. With the help of this diet plan, you can lose approximately 15 kgs in 30 days very easily, as all the clients have achieved great weight loss results. For personalized weight loss diet plans, you can always mail me at eatmorelosemore7@gmail.com or WhatsApp me on the given number, and I'll be more than happy to be a part of your weight loss journey. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel Eat More Lose More, and if you like my content, please follow me on my Instagram as well. And I'll see you in my next one. Till then, stay healthy and stay fit always.